In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Safe Search on Reddit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your account settings to reduce or hide mature content from your feed, which can be especially helpful if you share your device with others or just prefer a cleaner browsing experience. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account on your browser. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be your avatar or just a simple placeholder image if you haven't set one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options related to your account. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Sometimes you might see User Settings depending on the version of Reddit you're using, but it will always clearly mention Settings. Click on that. Reddit will now take you to the main settings page for your account. On this settings page, you'll find several sections that control different aspects of your Reddit experience. What we're interested in are your content preferences. On many layouts, this appears under a tab or link called Preferences or Feed Settings. Look for Preferences and click on it. This is where Reddit lets you manage what kind of content shows up and how it's displayed. Within the Preferences section, scroll until you find the options related to mature content. You should see a setting called Show Mature Content. I'm over 18. When this is enabled, Reddit allows posts and communities that are marked as mature to appear more freely in your feed and search results. To turn on Safe Search, you want to disable this option. Click to turn it off. This tells Reddit not to openly show mature content in your browsing experience. Right near that setting, you'll see another option called Blur Mature, 18+ images and media. When this is enabled, any images or videos tagged as mature will appear blurred until you actively choose to view them. For a safer, more private experience, you'll want to disable this as well so that Reddit is not encouraging or highlighting mature visuals. Turn this option off so that mature images and media are not displayed. Once you've adjusted these two settings, Reddit will usually save your changes automatically. From now on, your feed and searches should be much cleaner and more appropriate for general viewing. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to the same